Okete kan lo kla kan amele. Ko akla kan ocha lo mo. Aya ole bonumi. Okete kan lo kla kan ame kla. Ko akla kan ocha lo mo. Aya ole bonumi. Osedo man osedo le osedo jendo kan le no. Wongla tenu kwa binane sate akla ga kan ome.
Moe Kebatuna TV. Mono wegbi. Afiamble kpago. Ne manye gadna ihese. Nyafua okusum nitumi ono. Okai kalimwe ochio. Wahie bia komene dangme livuo. Nwange yose saminya. Mono wamaye kusum kpako ne dangme lituo. Ha abime ke afome ke bajim. Eji nihe ke zangma misemi kusum hi. Ke afobi nyumu. Anga nihe mkusim ne apio hale. Ne ke e apio yohu. Anga zangma misemi kusum ne apio hale. Lolo ne choka. Anga noko nyumu wo. Alo anga noko yope. Kekekele kusum. Ne atuo habi nyumu hi ngedangbe dio. Di no pomi. Alo sulwe nya pomi. Kusumi no. Eji kusum kone dangbeli ke fiewe kra. Ejaka hemi ke yemi hawa no sisika. Ke apuimo. Obeche nye ma yenge dangbe subano no kokoko. Lo loko di no kumanye ma yete. Titiri wono alo mache yemio. Esane apomo. Ne eno ene dangbeli ke kusumi no fiewe one. Bone pene ke esu abime achayemi no. Ne heblo no ko meme. Kusumi no. Ihane dangme no. Numu neji dangme no. Eji omuno. Ne gana wacho kpame ahe. Eja ka gana wacho oko mengene. Apuime. Ne mehua kusumi. Se ka dangme no. Alo la no kron. Obesi hine abe mopo. Epio papo hamo ke ofoli. Ejaka momlo toche. Miniji onichunge subanono. Yo potene sone magba momlo toche ne. Lo dangmele ke kusumi no fiewe. Sablema ke afobi eyoje hakpago. Loko di apuole ni awole nyumumi. Hachuo kusumi no motu mla. Apete jukwe abifa wohe. Ne no polo. Puo sulwe nya lo sebita frache. Pitsi ake ke dionya. Achua singe biokpeti heko. Ne apun nya lo ne apuo. Losio. Ango chupa no pio ba. Ne anga ke puo pano. Ke agbelolo nya. Awia ayilo ke puo sulwe ono. Ne ake hajukwe nyumuyo ayeko. Enosio da motuo. Sana ma wojukwe nyumuyo ke hinunge okpolumi. Alo sewemi. Ni keke ake chupatono. Kone pa ne egbomla. Ni hineba sulwe nya pomi ni 2 minutes 3D ni hewi ke nyumuwi ni apome hu. Ke achuku sumi nota. Agbe okungoku agbo. Ni ake hane ne apole alo awole nyumumio. Ayeko ka pio ebe nyumu. Ni ake huoni. Ni ake eke hueme. Ni aba. Ajio. Ni ajio heja. Ni hikio. Abifawo ni. Akio enyehuni. Keke agbe. Kai ka sable wake jukwo yo. Je hakpago. Loko apuole. Alo awole nyumumi. Se akene kusumi wane echakio hejio. Mono. Apuo jukwe mla. Nikumengene ochi pemio sepe. Keke apojukwo. Nikumepongene ke afojukwo. Nepe. Loko amaje hospital na mabapo. Keke apole. Loko di abamuole biepon. Le wayo seka. Kusumi ole. Egbowe kokoko. Denge wa. Ninge chake. Ejaka pio. Ifo yinge blofoli ani chun. Ne loide kambe. Ne ma blolu. Ne jihakpago. Loko di. Amapo ebi sulwe. ejaka esane jukwu ohune ebo ni sukum ya mla kone yo fo yo hu ne enablo ne lehu eyatuni kone ekeno kone bawe lo he mono apo no mla ne nyanyu mo me apomio ehano yo me hu kusunge ne atuo ha me ke wo me yomi agbon yo me atwe ngedan meje to egbumi ne nihine tuo ni tumi no titreji yinokuto mahine afo here deji sablema atuo ni tumi no motumla ha abifawo ne afo ne abuin ke esepa jinene aketuo ni tumi no ke agbutoyo asion pa eko ngeto mi keke angotupa ke tono da motuo ake nula chopa na ngotupa ke tono kone pa ne gbomla pa ne asion ngeto mi o be komeni hu ke tonya ni che wo mi ke je be ne pa nge mi o bone pe ne puo ne agbunga to mi o ekochi lo eketo puo bope amanye majekpa keke tonya ni che keke akewo ake tonya ni bonio abifawo hedrami haleke je ebimo wi asin ke yasi emawa mono bihe ifu no maya no mana na yi no koto mahinanga to egbu ye wi keke aya kaseni tumi no me ni angetue ka mehu ademini tum wadeke kusumu wa ni etakio lo eke pe monyakpe mehu akase na angetue lo etake mine bange kusumi no emeji kolone dangmeli hemika yemiko hanu wanu susika to egbu mi no eke wa yiwi ome ne akele fomimi yemi ne drame ke hayi papa pemi akene fomi ke komi jio hedio ke agbutue ne anujama komio anujama yeyo heo e drame ke ha huose fomi ke ekomi nanyu mome apomimio dangmeli pete jama kusumi nohi ke basi mono senge yo tu egbumimio wanaka Kristo jami ne wanwoke pie wa kusumi hiyo hedio mono Kristo jami kuko mengene agui abime atwe ejaka mele analeka eji wajami nge Kristo jami se ye bimi ojika ani tu egbumio wajami yilo moni cheka dangmenuo mohisi ne obi ohe hie nene huoto nyani ne kedra saminya kenene witwe nyani ka minim meji sroto nenge akpetilo miniji jami ne di wojami nge enomi tu egbumi keto nyani fini womio loloji wojami lo wake kusumi wane chakio wabenye ne wakojome lo iwangmehe se kai ka pi wojami dangmenole ke ofobi yo bu etwe hale ne ohane ewoto nyani keke emaje muno nge enyemi menyumuwi akpeti ejaka wo yo okumenga ne waje nyumuhi imi manyeni hisino ije papa wa we lo ekepitu yani ni wo ekono kupo macha mike nyumuji midio opi na hene munyu ongeo yo wayo se ne wakuhane nokone acha wabi yo higa nyumuhi akene wagbitu ehime eji kekrekre no ne ni ye ke ananyumuwi ke yewi ne angefie ado ke yo no nganyumuwi afie mi fie ki konlo ejaka ana muno jemi ko nge akpeti lo oyo se le saminya ne okodeke ye jami hedio ibe ye bitu egbu hale wosio eko obi no benewa ne le ni che esunka emas gbun etuo keke ya penu pa hale mo le gbu hale ke wose ne wa ne ke simio e mango ka fonsija e ke tonya ni be mi wo se ko hale jukwa no ne wa ne eba pia moka papa yayo oguye to him eko baleja nge oblofam ha wapo wa esra ke waba wa machano
Lang for so I live you know. Lang if ya jomida.
How I hear Kusumpa, ne dangmeli tuon ha abinyumuri. Logi tu, alo klante, alo pakpla demewu. Sablema, wana waleka, dangmeli neji cheme, ke abimene yani chum. Loeke akemechuni lu, ne asuje hakone amanye machuni nge meniche adehio. Dangmeli toblonyano, kone papa neji bicho, ne enwotu ke wo ebiode ke ji ka lecho e abiode ya lo ke e abio mohun lo hun e ma won papla alo dade ne eketuon ni o eko ke wo ede eno mano mika dukuon aseni tumi nge echengo ne ele ne gbenya lo angele ni tumi dade ha kone le ni che eke ya tuni ne eke hie ehe ne eke wa nke hie esenihi lo dangmelo to blonyano kone ake tuni no ha nieyo ne ngeni hemisel kone leniche enye ne tuni ne eye eko nga yihewi ablofamio kusumi suoto hinge dangme wachongwame apeti ne mehu atuo he blonya ke ha abi yiwi ne asoyomi ngedang me wecho ngwame ekume akpetio ase me dipo ekume woni nenge he ekume hu atuon asimi heni ha abi yiwi ome dangmeli tisi keke ne atuo kusumi ko blonya kusumi fe kusumi ne dangmeli tuo he blonya sena mi poten ko ngehe ni lo ni ahie Lukodi atuo heblonyane. Nga yiwi as mi semi kusumi no ne atuo heblonya. Sena mi fu ngehe. Krekre sena mi ne masone wahie. Nga yiwi ablofami. Alonga yihi a semi kusumi blofami odi. Kusumi no. E blo bo ha blo. Ha yihe yuo. Ne ekese jemi. Ka jo no kotoma ne ngeheblo ne chuoni ne eke yobwa eweku ke ema lo eke atokusumi no meblonya pe blobli ha yeyoko emanye machuni ne ke maye ke bwa eweku ke ema ne engemio sena mi ekpanwo ne nge kusumi no tumi hemidika eblo ha yeyo ne eke kasio le niche eheno hiemi ne lo ne yobwale ne nye ne ke chuo eblonyani ngemam kam yo kusumi no hu blio ye yo adweminya kone eke pe yo no koto makpakpa ke gun kusumi no ye yo ke kasio gbasi himi kpakpa kusumi no yobwa ye yo ne eke kasio blonone emagun ke madra le niche ehe kan yigbayo bene emadra ewemi ngoha eke kasio ke gun kusumi no chumimio yeyo ke kasio blonone yo ke nyumugun ke kasa yeyo kasio bene eke maye bimo yo no ha ke ewemi chemeneji ehuno ke ni hipa hifu nenge kusumi no chumino ake yeyo gumi ne lolo ne wale ne ke pio yo no kotoma papa ne eno meje ni komene dangmeli ke fiawe kra ne lohe ne ato yihi mi semi kusumio ha abimeo ne ha wa hie ni hine ya no nge dipope mimi wama fiano kuku woseke waba wamanyinomi nya dipope mimio kekelekele kusumi jika amabli diponya lo diponya blimi nya diponya blimi mio aya wonya le john aya ba jomi ke ha abifawo na manaba sele dipo ke eweku ke nina kraka mau ke yosugbanzu ke jema wohi ke pade hi chope amaba pie ehe kone kusumi no ne eye manye kusumi ne cha no ji manyu womi ne cha manyu womi ono ji dipo yiwi aheso tomi keke waba we tomi ke waje we tomi o wa ma ba fufun yemi keke waba dipo to gbe mi kanga dipo se o agbe oto ke waje dipo to gbe mi o keke waba tegbe te ko mi alo tegbe te ya mi keke waba tun wo mi awo yewi o metun ke awo metun lo kwa ma je po awo ni hame lo ni wo mi keke ni wo mi seke ya lo anga dipo onya gbeji lolo ni ka wo ni wo aje ni wo mi se o aya mano neji mano ya mi ake dipo yewi o me ya mano ni aya do na ke pasi ni no fe no ni na ka awo ni kome alo awo yeyi ko yomi ke aje lolo si o jua wo mi ake dipo yewi o me ya jua no na wo jua kai ka wade kan akasio yigba yo pe mi nge dipo pe mi bi o mi lo e kan o ma pe yo gba yo papa ake me ma ya jua no aha me sika na ya ye jua lo e kwa ma chua ni eniko ya ye jua no ke ba ho ni eni no ni na cho me nge tumi wo mi bi o mi pio no ya jua no o ya no ya kase no heni o me ke ba ko ni anaka nene okasio enge oyimi nine ni lolo ni wame na pio yigba yi papa hinyone mochum ke mono ni tumi oto ebu wo se o chike waba won aba nyiro mi ni waye ni hine ya emi kakaka nge eno me chope ami kai ne onye wase nge Tuna TV nge Facebook share wa page ni no hu ni ena eko ni le hu eye subscribe wa YouTube channel nge Tuna TV kai ka manye gardener ni ngonu tumi okeba amone mochum wo so chi hu wa ma pe Hello lovely followers of Tuna TV. Welcome to another episode of Fua Okusum. This is Manye Gardener. Today we'll be looking at some rites that the young Dangme male is taking through that makes him a man. The first rite is circumcision. The Dangmes believe solely in circumcising a child, and that is the only way that you can be called a true Dangme. Among the Dangbes, if you have not been circumcised, you cannot be a leader. So every Dangme male child has to go through this rite, and it is a way of fortifying the child for the task ahead. In the olden days, the child is circumcised at age 7 thereabouts, when the child understands what is being done for him and takes part. On the day of circumcision, very early in the morning, someone is made to hold the child. Then the one in charge of the circumcision cuts off that piece of flesh from the penis. That piece that is cut off is buried somewhere within the household yard. Now, medicine, which is normally a leaf, is grounded and poured on the fresh wound to heal it faster. This boy who has been circumcised is rewarded with a big hen, which the mother uses to prepare meal for him and his friends who have come to grace the occasion. Remember, this occasion is solely for boys who have been circumcised, boys and young men who have been circumcised. If you have not been circumcised, you don't have a place in this merrymaking. After the merrymaking, each morning, this young boy is made to sit in the warm water in the basin. Then the drug is applied to the sore till it finally heals. And this is why the Dangmes believe that it is important for every child to go through this rite, because if you have not gone through this rite as a male child, among the Dangmes, you are not a man. So among the Dangmes, if someone is not circumcised, they refer to the person as a woman, which people may not even understand. But that is the Dangme for you. You need to be circumcised to be called a man. The next rite that is performed for the Dangme young man is to give the child a profession. In the olden days, the child, the male child especially, follows the father to his workplace. That is especially the farm or hunting or to fishing. So the child growing up as a teenager is handed over a tool by the father to signify that you have completed your apprenticeship. Take this tool, start work on your own, feed yourself and your family. So the child is taken through this rite to show that he is of age and he can work and take care of himself. Let us come to that of the females. The girl at birth is also identified as a girl by the piercing of the ear. In those days, it is elderly women who have had children before who do this rite. The tool they use in performing this rite is a needle that has been threaded. So the thread is left in the hole that has been created by the needle. Medicine is applied on it until it is healed finally. The thread is taken off, and whichever earring of the choice of the mother is put in the hole. And the child grows up with the hole in the ear. And that is wonderfully how the girl is identified among the Dangmes. Since culture is dynamic, we have realized that certain things we have accepted as part of our culture is preventing some people from piercing their girl child ear. Most of these things that we have accepted are forms of worship, especially the Christianity. Now we have some Christian groups that believe that wearing earring, which starts by piercing of the ear, is demonic or fetish. And that is why some don't pierce the ears of their girl children. Sometimes I will want to ask, what is fetish about it? We have seen all these things that the Dangmes do for their children. And we should realize that they are part of their culture. And as a Dangme, we should be proud of it. Let's look at another rite that the child is taking through in making her a woman. Among the 8 major ethnic groups the Dangmes have, there are 3 major puberty rites they take their children through. That is Dipo, the puberty rite, or Niwom puberty rite, or Asimi puberty rite. Different ethnic groups take part in one of these at a time. The Dipo is a long rite that is performed, a whole week celebration, and it's in stages. The first stage, the Dangmes call it Dipo Nyablimi, commencement of Dipo. And there are a lot of activities that go on during the commencement. We will be looking at them in detail in our subsequent lessons. After the commencement of the depot ceremony, the next rite that is performed is soaking of millet. Nyuwomi. We'll be looking at that in detail as well, don't worry. The next rite is marking the initiates. Depot Yiwi Ahesotomi. After the initiates have been marked, then we come to calling of the soul. The Dangmes don't just get up and perform any rites. They find out from the souls of the girls. After the calling of the soul, now the millet that has been soaked is brewed. Madam Homi. The next rite we have is Fufui Yemi. Pounding and eating of fufui. A special delicacy for the depot yo. Going to the sacred stone, Tegbete Kwomi, which is very important. We'll get there. After Tegbete Kwomi, then we come to confinement in a room. The depot yo is kept in a room where a lot of education goes on. Before the depot yo comes out finally, she is adorned in her traditional wear with beads. Then the depot yo is taken out to town as part of the rite. The next thing that follows is going to the market. Remember, we said that during this rite, the girl child is taken through all the necessary things that will make her a good wife, a good mother. So as they are in the room, they are being taken through all these lessons. So some of these lessons that they have learned in the room, when they come out, they are expected to exhibit them. And it is one of the reasons why they go to the market to go and buy food items to come prepare food at home, to show that they have really learned how to cook. We will be looking at this in detail in our subsequent lessons. Thank you for joining us today on Tuna TV. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tuna TV. And don't forget to like and follow our page. Share the link on Facebook and let everyone get this program and watch, and you will be a blessing. Thank you for following us. This has been Manye Gardner on Fua Okusum. See you next week.
Ole, wame ye kama kunle luome.
Wanya papa wanya lele, wanya bro, wakuye wase.
Wame ye kama